Oh shit, here we go again.
Welcome to hell. I hope it treats you well. I hope it treats you well. You deserve it as your punishment.
Hey, what is up, you guys? My name is Taylor, and today we are filming a video. And in today's video, oh, 1 second. Alright, what is up, you guys? My name is Taylor, and today we are filming a video. And you just said that. Shut up! And in today's video, this one's actually gonna be kind of a cute one, just a little vlog moment, like a good vlogger, which I can never be. But I'm doing like a Valentine's Day vlog where, of course, I'm not in a relationship. Everyone's like, who's surprised? But I want to do something to show off the girls in my life because I love them. They're like all my best friends, and this is like my Valentine's Day weekend kind of thing vlog. So stay tuned to see all of that. Today's Friday, so I'm doing school. That's why I'm in my pajamas. But you know, I just showed my feet. But today I'm hanging out with my friend Bekah, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into the video.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I forgot to like film little segments of me getting ready, or like a transition. Boom. Oh my god. I don't know whether to love or hate this, but it's fine. So here's my makeup, all black as usual. You know, I curled my hair because it was just easier to do that, I'm not gonna lie. I have this scrunchie from eBay. Oh wait, here's my OOTD scrunchie from eBay. This Playboy bunny necklace I got on Mercari. I know it doesn't probably go with the outfit, but like I love it so much. I have this black turtleneck from Boscov's. This shirt I thrifted. I guess this belt from Hot Topic, so like it doesn't look too out of place. I Playboy anything. These jeans are from Target. Yes, I cuffed them. My black fishnets are from eBay. And I have my all black Converse. I didn't just wear these pants because we're gonna relax and eat lots of Chick-fil-A. Also, I added Hot Topic jeans to be like a cool skater boy. So now I just need Bekah to be done her dumb test.
I love that shirt.
Hi! Ooh.
Oh my god, I love your vibes today.
Thank you, me too.
Alright.
I'm not buckled.
I think you'll survive. I'm not.
Should I leave that in my videos one time?
Just say I'm not in the blanket. It's like, so
Yeah.
real now.
And then we got our Chick-fil-A. We didn't film through our drive-thru adventure because, you know, we were gossiping like little middle school girls, tee-hee-hee. And Bekah actually bought me a milkshake for like Valentine's Day, and I had a really bad day, so like I almost cried, but like we won't talk about it.
Tad, would you like some mixed vegetables?
Hell no.
What did you say?
I said I don't want any damn vegetables.
All right, that's it, young man. No Bible stories for you tonight.
Oh.
Bekah is gonna watch
Chucky 2.
Child's Play 2.
Oh, whatever. The second Chucky one.
Same thing, so we'll see how it goes.
In conclusion, because Taylor forgot to record this, Chucky movie, Child's Play 2, absolutely terrifying. I was driving home and got scared of a melted snowman, so I'm gonna be paranoid for the next 3 days. I'm very spooked. That is all.
3 days later.
Good morning, you guys. I almost did my whole intro. So good morning, you guys. It's currently Monday. It's the day after Valentine's Day, but nobody needs to know that. Sorry, my voice sucks. It's early in the morning and my allergies are like ew, so you're welcome. I'm hanging out with Natalie, and I'll be completely honest, like the expert YouTuber I am, I almost forgot to film this, and I have to make my bed. It's messy back there. Ew. And I gotta get ready. So, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do an epic transition. Boom! Is it gonna focus? Thank you. Here's my makeup. I was gonna put on black lipstick, but I was like, you know, Valentine's Day, I don't really know if I like the red lipstick. I feel like it looks awkward on me. Okay, for the fit, we have my silver lock from Hot Topic, from like a set. We have this leather jacket from Target. We have lots of Valentine's Day candy I made. Ooh. This black like turtleneck thing from Boscov's. This maroon skirt was thrifted, but originally from Hot Topic. These are some tights I cut up from eBay. These are long, like knee-high socks I got from Mercari. So like I thrifted them. And then on the bottom, I have just these plain black combat boots. They're kind of dirty. And I really wanted to wear my platforms, but I'll show you. It's like really snowy and really icy. And like my goal is to try not to die. Natalie is on her way, so hopefully we'll see her. Hopefully we'll see her when she's on her way, and yeah.
So slow.
There's my gorgeous friend.
Oh, hi.
I forgot a mask. Give me a minute. I have a mask.
Good.
Oh my gosh, and we both wear lipstick.
Yeah.
How fun!
Are you done? Are you ready?
Yeah. Where are we going?
I don't know. Where are we going, Taylor?
I'm a mess. I ran late because I was filming TikToks in my room waiting for Natalie.
Of course.
I have to be TikTok famous.
Yes, please.
No, it's not. I'm gonna be like Charlie D'Amelio.
Yes.
Savage. Oh. Classic bougie ratchet. I got lots of hate on my TikToks.
Okay.
Okay, but we're getting lunch. It's 2:42. I'd still say it's technically lunch.
I already ate lunch.
Well, it's technically dinner then. Technically, I did eat lunch because I had like leftover Chinese food at like 11.
Oh, is that where you got the fortune from?
That was from last night, yes. You see, I didn't have a Valentine, so I was with my parents all night.
So was I.
Yes! But, okay, so we're getting lunch, but we always complain that Wendy's has horrible soda.
Well, like,
We're calling you out.
It's always flat or just completely the wrong soda. Like, always.
They always go give me a Coke, but the one time I asked for a Diet Coke and they gave me a Sprite, and I was like, okay, and? So, we like their food. So, we'll get McDonald's drinks and the food. Wendy's food.
Yeah. Yes.
There we go. Wow, doesn't this Valentine's Day vlog, isn't this like aesthetic like everybody wanted? Because there's other YouTubers where they're like, me and my boyfriend are having an aesthetic picnic, and I'm like, me and my friend Natalie are eating Wendy's in the parking lot.
With matching outfits.
Oh, true, we do have our matching, like, mismatched outfits.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at us. I forgot about that. And we're both wearing fishnets. Ooh.
Mine are kind of fake though. It's fine.
Tell them, they wouldn't know. Vibes, vibes, vibes. I'm ready to go. Oh, wait, I have to do my outro. People want to see my nose holes.
No, nobody wants to see you do that.
Yeah.
No.
Someone's like, let me stick it in them, you know? If you're gonna call me a nut, you better put Busta in front of it my way.
Please.
I'm getting into the Valentine's Day mood.
It's past Valentine's Day.
Maybe. Not in like Canada.
Think about that for a second.
time zones. Like,
Canada's in a different time zone.
where else would it be?
Jesus Christ.
We're best.
Well, not the very last or fifth
I know,
video.
I didn't watch that one.
Well, you lived it, so you just have to watch it later on. Like when you're sad and lonely and you realize.
Miss you? Yeah, that never happens.
Okay, so I'm gonna sign off.
Alright, and we're finishing off the time painting. Because we got paints. Oh, that would be bad. I'll move this over more. I'll move those boxes onto there. Wait. Wait, open your mouth. I'll edit it to make it look like I made it.
No, I won't.
Update. We finished half of our donuts. I finished this because I just had to do the sides. I'm working on this. It looks bad now, but like, shh. And Natalie finished this part of her bear.
Oh, I didn't finish it. I'm just doing a base coat right now, but...
Attention world, Natalie's doing a base coat on her bear. And is currently painting this bear light blue. And she thought it was so funny to laugh at the noises the white paint was making because it sounded like a fart.
You were laughing too, Shelly.
No, I wasn't. I wouldn't laugh at baby things. I would never. I'm serious. I'm an adult. I'm 18 now. I can't laugh at dumb children things. Careful.
I'm not doing it.
It's not doing it now.
I'm doing it. It's not okay.
It's not doing it now. Attention world. I found out there's a flash on my camera today. I can confirm the flash does work. I'm now seeing spots. That's as much painting. I think I did this part. That's as much painting as I got done other than... Yeah, I'm getting deja vu. There's Natalie's thingy. We started making bracelets because we got bored, but then I got bored again. So now I'm just hitting this balloon at Natalie. It's gonna pop. Well, it'll be fun. Oof. 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 If we keep hitting it on the spiky things, it will.
Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I'm pushing it to 2021, but only because it's lit. Check out this lit social media guy, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, all other things in down description down below. And yeah, so I guess all to say is goodbye.